In this video we show how to sing overtone scales on a changing fundamental. The fundamental alternates between two tones that are a semitone apart. In this example we use D and D sharp. So on the fundamental you just keep singing this, and on the overtones you sing an ascending scale. So again, this is what the fundamental does. And that's what the overtones do. So let's hear an example of an actual singer. That's a recording that we've already made, and here it follows the pattern of fundamental and overtones that I've just shown. Let's hear the fundamental first. I can do this by using this frequency filter, which filters out everything in the spectrum that's not in this box here. Now I'm selecting a time range and it will loop through this section. So you can hear it is doing exactly what I showed you earlier. Alternating between these two tones. Now I can look at what the overtones do. So now I've already taken out the filter and you can hear the fundamental and the overtone together, and you get this changing fundamental here and the overtone scale here. Now with this method you can start ascending scales that get higher and higher. Let's hear one that's slightly longer than the previous one. Now you can practice this and go higher and higher until you reach the whole range of your overtones. So far we have used a semitone step for the fundamental interval. Of course, you can also use other intervals. So to remind us, this was the semitone step. And now let's change it to a whole tone step. Let's listen to the change in quality that this produces. Again, using this method with a different interval, you can practice until you reach a scale that uses your entire range of overtones. So using these patterns, you can use this to practice your overtone singing and to try these scales, which are much harder than just using the scale on the unchanging fundamental. But it's a very interesting effect, and you can experiment with the different qualities of the scale that you get by using a different interval for the fundamental.